2 months ago, Fort Georgians Elementary School began a pilot program called Second Chance Breakfast. It's an attempt to get more kids the nutrition they need in the first part of the day without disrupting class time. As MTN's Melissa Jensen reports, it's working.
Every morning at Fort Georgians Elementary, dozens of snack packs are put together.
And they get cold milk, they get fresh fruit, they get, their complex carbs and proteins.
It's part of a pilot program started in February to ensure kids aren't facing hunger while trying to learn. The school still offers breakfast before the bell rings, but that's not always an option.
So some kids can't get here in time, or they live so far out, they have to start so early in the morning. By the time 8 o'clock comes around, they've been awake for 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
We looked at it as a point of need we don't know if they're getting it at home or not, but is there an opportunity we could do it at school that had limited impact on us when it comes to out of classroom time, things like that.
The snack time was already built into the day. Some kids were bringing snacks from home, sometimes teachers would provide it. But now Second Chance makes sure there's always something available.
It's really smooth, it's not an interruption, and it's working very well.
The snack is $1.35. Principal Nick RADLEY says they communicated for several weeks with parents and have carefully monitored student lunch accounts to make sure there are no unintended financial impacts to families.
Those issues haven't come up. Our teachers have also done a good job of communicating with parents to say, listen, this program's going. Let us know if you want to participate.
The positive impact 2 months in is noticeable.
A lot less questions about when lunch is, which used to be like, the biggest question they asked was, is it lunch yet? And now they're pretty good until it's time for lunchtime.
That's the biggest thing, is when it comes to learning at school, we have to also look at what are their barriers to learning. Being hungry is a barrier. We're finding our kids are asking less when lunch is coming up. They're not getting hungry during those integral parts of the day.
Fort Georgians was chosen to pilot Second Chance because of its size, to figure out the logistics of how to get those snacks into little hands with little interruption.
And here, being the one that is such a large school and the way it's designed, we're hoping we can transfer what we learned here to other schools within Helena. We've already shared it with other schools across the state.
It's been really rewarding to see the planning stages of, okay, how are we going to set this up, where are we going to put things, and then actually see kids getting access to the food that they need.
Melissa Jensen, MTN News, Helena.
RADLEY and Worthy say well over 100 kids are getting a Second Chance breakfast. That's in addition to the average 100 who take advantage of breakfast before school begins.